Hey beauties, it's Shaq, and today we're going to do fall trends. So if you want to know how to create a look using all the latest fall trends, stay tuned and watch. There are a lot of fall trends out there, and I chose my favorites to show you. So let's get started. So to begin, one of the first things that we're talking about is glowy skin. And in order to have glowy skin, you need to have skin that is moisturized. And I'm going to use our Vitamin C cream. And it's one of the best because it gives you all the nutrients that you need. It keeps the skin nice and dewy throughout the day. Next, I'm going to apply foundation, but in order to keep it dewy, I'm going to mix it with our Do Shimmer Body Lotion. The two of them together are going to create a nice, full coverage, yet dewy look. I applied 3 pumps of the foundation and 2 pumps of the Do. In order to keep this healthy, dewy glow, I'm going to use our liquid blush, and this is the color Loyal. And I already applied a few dots, and I'm going to apply some on the other side. And I'm going to blend it in with our foundation brush and keep the glow going. And lastly, for this beautiful glow, I'm going to add a little bit of the Blissful highlighter to my cheeks. And everywhere else. There's one trend going strong this season, and that is soap brows or feather brows. Whatever you want to call it, we are all for it, and we are going to be using our brand new Don't Play Brow Gel. This gel is so amazing because it will hold your brows in whatever shape you want, and it will last the whole day. So let's get to it. I just apply a little bit to my brush and then give my brush like an upwards shave. And once I've applied the product everywhere, I like to brush it up and to the side. And then when I do that, I'll brush the top hairs going down in an angle. And just like that, you got feather brows or soap brows or whatever you want to call it. Next, we're going to do 2 trends in one. I'm going to do a smoky eye and a lavender lid all in one swoop, and I'm going to be using our Galaxy palette. This palette is beautiful, perfect for any smoky eye, but also that lavender color is going to be perfect for lavender lids. So for a smoky eye, you want to have a gradient going from dark to light going upwards, and I'm going to start with the color Milky Way, and I'm going to apply that right on the brow bone and to the middle of the eye. And now we're going to take this lavender color, which is called Stellar, and we're going to apply that on the lid and fade it into that highlight. So you want the color stronger at the base of the eye, and then I'm going to fade it into that highlighter on top. So I'm going to do like 3 coats right on the lid, and then just fade that right in. See? Our next trend is my favorite no matter the season, and that is a bold eyeliner. And I love rocking our Verify eyeliner along with our black eyeliner pencil, and I know you will too. Let me show you. I like to start with the pencil liner, and I put it on the waterline. And I like to smoke it out a little bit right under the lash line. Next, I like to take the same pencil and go in the waterline on top and create that inner line. And then I'll meet it up with our Verify eyeliner. Now I'm going to take our Verify liquid liner, and I'm going to go right to where I left that line with the pencil, and we're going to go from there out towards the middle. And then we're going to do a wing going up. You don't have to do a wing, but if we're doing bold eyeliner, you gotta do the wing. You don't have to, but it's my favorite. Of course, to top off any good eyeliner, you want to use a good mascara, and I'm going to use our HD Volumizing Mascara to achieve a full lash look. Don't forget your bottom lashes. Last but definitely not least, we're going to go into bold lips. Bold lips are totally in right now, and I can't say that I'm mad at it. I'm going to use the color New Orleans, a beautiful, bold, vibrant color. And I'm going to go straight in with our beautiful doe foot applicator, which makes it easy to apply any one of our liquid lipsticks. So there you have it, a super trendy fall look. Of course, you guys can change this any way that you want. If you want to make it a natural lip look with the bold eyes, if you want to just do the color on the lid, no eyeliner. It's completely up to you which way you want to use all these trends, but I hope you had fun with me creating this look, and hopefully you'll try it too. These are just some of the fall trends. We have more fall trends on our blog, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely head that way. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Share with your friends. And definitely leave a comment down below which one of these trends you are going to try. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!